everyone, and welcome to the Nate Guide. So today's video is about Google Forms. Google Forms is a powerful tool that can be used to create effective surveys. With little planning and effort, you can create surveys that will provide you with valuable insights into your audience. And once you know the goal of the survey, you can start designing your questions. So there are two ways of doing this. You can type Google Forms in your web browser and then sign in from there, or you can sign into your Google Drive and then use this option here. That you click on the plus sign, then you have this drop down. So we are going to click on Google Forms. Okay, when we click on Google Forms, we are going to click on this to take us to the Google Forms home page. So in case you want to design contact information, RSVP, party invite, t-shirt sign up, event registration, you can use all this. Okay, then we can click on template gallery to show us more. You can take your time to explore this, but we are going to click on blank to start from the basics. Okay, so we have these options. When you create out the survey, you get the responses using this option, and in case you want to make this question a quiz, you can enable this. If you don't want to, you just disable it. Okay, so we come to our questions, and you can always title this. You can change the title, you make it survey. Okay, and then when you look at these options here, this plus sign, it helps you to add a question, and this helps you to import questions. This helps you to add title and description. This helps you to add image to the questions that you are drafting. This helps you to add video. This helps you to add session. So we can have session 1 and session 2. Okay, so we have the description. I'm saying this is a survey for people battling depression. And then I'm going to, the minute I'm done, I'm going to add a question, my first question. So I'm going to say what is your biggest fear? Okay, so I can make this a short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. So I chose short answer. And then my session 2, I'm going to name it Dream Jobs. And then I'm going to add a title. This survey is about dream jobs. Okay, then I'm going to add my first question. So my first question is what is your dream job? Okay, and then I'm going to make this multiple choice. So the first one is web developer, and the second option is software engineer. Okay, so that means you are done with this. You can customize the theme. Okay, you can also change the font style and the font size. So I can change this to orange, I can change this to green, right? So that means you are done with the customization. You just click on send. When you click on send, you can send this via email by inputting the email addresses of the people that you want to receive this, and you can add an additional message to let people know what the survey is about. Okay, and then you can also use a link. You can shorten the URL. Then you can copy the link and paste it to your social media platform so that people can answer the survey. So this is all about Google Forms. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.